So happy fake Friday. Today is actually Thursday, but it's the start of the Easter bank holiday, which I'm so excited. Oh my god, work has been so stressful, so I haven't really been filming as much as I wanted to, but thought I would vlog over the next few days and kind of take you guys along with me for my bank holiday weekend. I don't have anything planned, which I'm actually really looking forward to, just chilling and spending some time with my family, but whatever I do get up to, I'm going to take you guys along. So I finished work. Hello doggy. I've just finished work and I'm going to do a little food shop because I promised my mum I'm going to make like a lemon poppy seed or like lemon white chocolate loaf or some cupcakes I'm going to bring on for Easter Sunday. So I need to get some ingredients and obviously I need to sort myself out with some food. I thought I would show you my outfit really quickly. Okay, here's the fit with the dog. It kind of looks like I'm wearing PJs, which I'm so down for it, but the weather has been disgusting today. So my striped trousers are from Sisters and Seekers. I finally found them free rented and I got them in the post the day that Sisters and Seekers have released that they were going to restock them. So that's kind of annoying, but yeah, I got them free rented. My top is Fall from Reckless. I wear this top all the time and I love it. And then my leather jacket is from H&M, I think. And yeah, I've got this huge spot on my cheek and it's been so painful. But yeah, let's do a little food shop. I'm not going to vlog because I have no storage on my phone and I'm not going to take this into the shop with me because I'll get some really weird looks. I'm back from Lidl, so I thought I would do a quick little food shop haul. Not that anyone really cares, but first things first, some tulips. I normally get the purple and the white ones, but they didn't have any, so I just got the red and the orange and yellow ones. And they last a really long time and they're really affordable because they're £2.69, so that's not too bad. Then I got some chicken. I always get the big packs. I couldn't speak then. I got some carrots for my food and for the dog as well. Got some baking powder because I've run out. Got some lemons. Some apples because I'm trying to eat a little bit healthier, so I'm trying to go for like apples and carrots or like healthier snacks versus like actual sugar. I got romaine hearts, baby gem lettuce, whatever you call it, tender stem broccoli, spring onion, white chocolate for whatever I'm making. I'm not sure if I'm going to be making cupcakes or like a little loaf. I also got white chocolate chips. And then I got some streaky bacon and then a baguette and a panini for breakfast for tomorrow. So yeah, that's everything I got. It came to £28, but I also had a £5 Lidl Plus voucher, so it was 23. So yeah, not too bad. And obviously that's just little bits for the next few days. Obviously we've still got like food in the fridge, but just need a little top up. But yeah, I'm going to be making, I'm really excited because Andy's at work today, so he's not going to be home for food. So I'm making some grill dinner and I've decided to do some chicken ramen, which is why I needed the spring onion. So I'm really excited. I haven't had this in a very long time and I love ramen. It's just so, it just makes me feel all warm and cozy on the inside, especially when the weather is like this today, like really cold and rainy. So let's make food. I'm just eating my chicken ramen. It's incredible. I've just put a little bit too much chili oil, but it's still really good. And I'm watching such a throwback Gossip Girl. It's such a comfort show and I just love rewatching it. And also I've got Olipop, the watermelon lime. My mum and dad got back from America like a few days ago and I've asked her if she could bring me back a few of these cans because they're literally so good. I wish they had stuff like this in the UK because incredible, and I don't feel bloated like I normally do after a fizzy drink, and it's such a nice little sweet treat. And yeah, my favourite flavour is the watermelon lime and the tropical punch one. Incredible. Yeah, just wish they did them in the UK. Hello, happy Friday. I've literally just finished getting ready for the day and it's 2 o'clock, but I've had a lovely morning. Me and Andy had some nice breakfast and we took the dog out for a really long walk. And yeah, I fake tanned, showered, and obviously just got ready. I think we're gonna go to HomeSense today. Like, today's weather is absolutely miserable, so we're just gonna look around shops, and there's also a B&Q that's opened in the area, so we're gonna have a look. We love going around home shops. But yeah, I'm just gonna do my lip. I've been loving using the Wonder Skin lip stains. The colour that I'm using is Romance. It's the only one that was in stock on Amazon. I don't keep it on for too long just because I don't want it for it to be too dark. Because it's more like a... Oh my god. Get off. Oh, that's on my teeth. What the heck? Okay. I think I've got everything off. But it's like a very like reddy, like pinky red sort of colour. But yeah, it's the only shade that they have available on Amazon, and I really wanted to try it. And yeah, I like it. And I'm going to put on some Rhode lip shape contour, whatever this is. I love the colours of this, but they don't really last on my lips very long. And I've got, how many colours do I have? I have 4 colours. I've got Twist, Lunge, Press, and Lean. My favourites one are Twist and Lean. I'll probably go with Twist today. And I've already lost the cap for the smudger. I don't even use a smudger. Like, it's nice if you just want to be a little bit like messy with it, because it's not like a lip liner. Okay, I feel like that's a bit too dark. And then let's go with Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm Vanilla Beige. This smells incredible. Oh my god, it's so good. Also, this is my outfit for today. I got absolutely roasted by Andy because he said I look very Polish in this. Okay, let me show you in the mirror. There you go. This is the outfit. Yeah, he said I'm giving Polish vibes in this because it's a matching tracksuit. It's from Cernucci. I'm not sure how to pronounce the brand, but I love it. It's a bit of brown with a pop of pink. They also had it in blue, which I thought was a really nice combo, but they didn't have a matching jacket for it. It was just the trousers. But I'm obsessed with them. They're like a track pant. And yeah, I think they look pretty cool. Yeah, I've done my makeup. My lips do look really dark. Oh well. But I'm going to film a quick little TikTok just showing my outfit. I try to like film on TikTok at least like once or twice a week, just showing off my outfits.
Put it on.
Yeah, it's fine. Okay.
Put it on. I don't care about it.
Okay. We went to HomeSense. Got a shit ton of stuff from HomeSense. And then we got a giant we got a giant pizza! Pizza's so big. Yeah, that's... I'll do a haul later. HomeSense haul time! Got lots of goodies from HomeSense. Okay, first things first, a giant candle. This is our favourite one, Eucalyptus Mint, and it's huge. £15. I was only limited to 1 candle, but Andy doesn't know there is actually more candles in the cupboard. Okay, we've got our Scrub Daddy powder. Got sea salt from the brand Just Spices, £1.99. Pretty good deal. Got a vegetable peeler, a household staple. And I got this really cute mug that was on sale for £4, and I really like the colour of it. And then we also got Enzo some toys, and then popped into M&S, Primark and Boots, and I got this delicious drink, strawberry and watermelon, and it tastes like the Olipop drinks. Yum. Hi, happy Saturday. I'm in the kitchen today because I'm going to be making a lemon and white chocolate loaf for our Easter Sunday meal tomorrow. So I'm going to be using the Lydia Bayliss Zulo recipe, and it's really easy. It's pretty much 300 grams of butter, sugar, flour, and then yeah, baking powder, eggs, milk. Really simple recipe. I've never done it before, but yeah, it seems pretty simple. And I'm going to be using 230 grams of sugar instead, just because I don't want to add like that much sugar. And so I've used 200 grams of normal sugar and 30 grams of vanilla sugar just to add a little bit more flavour. And I'm going to be adding white chocolate chips into mine, or like white chocolate, and I'm going to make like a white chocolate drizzle. And yeah, I'm really excited. This is my, how cute is this? This is my like KitchenAid dupe from Lidl. I absolutely love the colour of this, and it was literally under, I want to say like £30, like really affordable, and it's so cute. Oh my god, what's going on? So, come. Good boy. Okay, I've got Zane and Heath on in the background, so yeah, let's get cooking, baking. I'm the worst baker ever because I've literally just burnt my loaf. Like, what? And I've burnt it so bad. Like, that is so bad. It was taking forever to like bake. So I just sat on the sofa for a bit watching TikToks, and I kind of forgot about it. But to be honest, like, everything was going wrong for me today. Like, tip, don't put lemon juice into melted white chocolate because it will literally thicken it up so much. I managed to like save it by adding a bit of milk and like reheating it. That's such a fail. I did manage to make 6 extra cupcakes because not cupcakes, I don't even know what they would be called, because I had extra batter. I didn't know what to do with it, and it wasn't enough for another like loaf, so I just put it into these cupcake like tins. And they tasted really good, and I did put a little bit of that white chocolate, but because I've messed it up, it just looks really suspicious. And yeah, so I can't be serving that to my family, so I have no clue what to do with it. I can't believe I've done that. That is such a fail. And I was pretty proud of it, but I literally just sat on the sofa watching TikToks. I can't believe I've done that. Like, that is so bad. I might try to like cut around it and cover it in the white chocolate, see if that helps. Okay, after a bit of a mental breakdown and some really dumb decisions of trying to cut away of the burnt bits, my mum and dad came down and they tasted it, and they said it actually tastes really nice. You actually can't taste the burntness of it, which is good. I feel like they were just trying to be really nice to me, but I've covered it in white chocolate. Now it just looks really odd. But yeah, I mean, it does taste quite nice. I've had some, so hopefully I'm not going to poison my whole family. Right, Enzo? I'm obsessed with strawberry matchas. But anyways, happy Wednesday. Of course, I didn't vlog anything on Easter Sunday or Bank Holiday Monday, but don't worry, you didn't miss much because I literally had the laziest 2 days ever. I just sat on the sofa, watched TV, ate a lot of chocolate, and I walked the dog. So nothing really worth vlogging. But today is Wednesday. I went into the office today, and yeah, me and myself, strawberry white chocolate matcha. I've been obsessed with these so much. They're delicious. And I'm just editing the video that you're watching. So I think I'm going to end the video here because I literally have nothing else planned for the week, and I'm going to try to vlog over the weekend. I do have some really fun stuff coming up very soon, so I think I'm going to try to vlog that. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. That was too sweet. Oh my god, I didn't mix that in properly. Bye.